Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.